My name is Shomadip Das Chatterjee. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in science in film and television from NSHM Knowledge Campus, Kolkata. We have best-in-class gears that are available in market like drones, full-frame cameras, fully equipped studios with accessories like Jimmy Jibs and cameras and online streaming setups. Also, we have a radio station, our own equipped radio station.
I'm Srikama Kormukar, and my relation with NSHM trails back to 2013 when I had just joined the campus as an undergraduate media science student. Currently, I'm working as the Client Relationships Manager with AICL Communications, and their work delves into investor relations and stakeholder communications. One thing about NSHM and the reason why I continued to study with the institute and completed also my masters from the same is because of the unparalleled support that I got from the professors and from the institute as a whole.
My name is Swarnindu Bose and I studied from NSHM School of Media and Communication. 2012 to 2015, that was my batch. I am working at a production house here. As a cinematographer, I do direction also. Also, I manage the production part of the company. I would like to thank all my teachers and I would like to thank my college for strengthening my roots. And that's the reason that I am here working at a company at a very good position, and all thanks to NSHM School of Media and Communication.